Hey there guys, I hope you all are well. So today we are going to cook something special, and that is chicken karahi. First of all, we will take 2 onions and we will chop them into slices. We will add some oil in a deep pan and heat the pan on the flame. Next, we will add the chopped onions in the pan and we will let them fry for few minutes. While they are frying, we will stir it so that it doesn't get sticks. So the spices we need are red chili powder, some turmeric, some coriander powder, garlic and ginger paste. You can add all these about your taste. Now add some salt, which is the basic component. Now we will add the spices in the pan and let them cook for a while. Mix it properly. Now this is the chicken that we have marinated. We will add this chicken to the pan. Do it slowly for the better results. After adding the chicken, we will let it broil for few minutes, at least for 10 minutes. Keep a check on it that it does not stick to the pan. Now add some tomato paste so it will add the taste in it. Now add some green chilies and give steam to it for a few minutes. It will make your dish look delicious.